Butterscotch pudding. Take 1 cup whipping cream. Beat well. Now roast dry fruit. Take a pan, add 1/2 dot sugar, melt them. Then add 1 teaspoon butter dot, then add roasted dry fruit in it, and dot set in plate, let it cool. Subscribe for more videos. Leave it until it dot set and cool. Again, take a pan for caramel sauces. 1 cup sugar melted, add 1 teaspoon butter dot, mix well, then turn off the flame. Add 1/2 cup cream, mix it well dot, then turn on the flame, cook for 1 minute. It's ready now. Take 2 to 3 spoons separate of this mixture. Now add 1 cup milk and rest of the mixture for caramel syrup. Now take whipping cream dot, add caramel sauce in it dot, and some drop vanilla essence dot, mix well. Now take caramel dry fruit, crush them. Now take a serving dish, start dot assembly it. First caramel syrup. Second bread slices. Again caramel syrup. Crushed dry fruits. Caramel whipping cream. Cover properly with cream. Again, repeat same layering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give review for my video on comments. It's so yummy, must try. You can also try this yummy recipe on your door menu. You guessed, also love it. Set it in fridge for 1 to half hour. It's just taste butterscotch ice cream. On top, garnish with crushed dry fruits. It's ready, chill it and enjoy. Allah Hafiz.